If the YouTube TV app keeps loading indefinitely and never shows channels or content, it's usually caused by network issues, outdated software, or temporary app glitches. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and that the connection is stable. Restart your router, move closer to your Wi-Fi source, or switch to a 5 GHz network for better speed and reliability. Step 2. Restart your device. Whether you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or a phone, turn the device off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. This refreshes memory and clears temporary network problems. Step 3. Force close and reopen the app. Close the YouTube TV app completely. On mobile devices, swipe it away from the recent apps list. On smart TVs and streaming devices, exit the app fully and reopen it. This clears minor app glitches that cause endless loading. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Remove corrupted temporary files. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to Apps, select YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the hidden cache reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete and reinstall the YouTube TV app to refresh all data. Step 5. Update the app and your device. Open your device's App Store and check for YouTube TV updates. Also update your device software. Outdated versions often cause loading loops and app freezes. Step 6. Check for outages. If the app still won't load, search online for YouTube TV outage reports. Sometimes the issue is on YouTube's servers, not your device. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.